Hi, in this video we're going to be talking about a free tool you could use to get some detailed system information about your computer. So of course you could go into the Windows System Information tool and click around there and get some information like so. So the tool we're going to be using is called HiBit System Information. So it's a free download. There is a portable version and an installer version. So I'm running the portable version here. So it's just a zip file, you extract it, run the executable. So once you run it the first time, you might get a warning from Windows saying they can't verify the publisher, and then you just have to click on More and Continue to allow it. And of course, with anything you download on the internet, use at your own risk, but this seems to be just fine. Okay, so it's broken down into several tabs. So we have our summary here with the operating system, installation date, root folder, computer name, username, uptime, and then a basic hardware overview with the CPU, RAM, motherboard, and so on. And then when you go to the hardware tab, you'll have all these sub-tabs here. So CPU, you get some decent information here. Number of cores, numbers of threads, frequencies. So then when you go to RAM, you can see your total RAM, how many slots, your maximum capacity, and then you could click on the slots here to see information about them. All right, then we have motherboard, manufacturer, TPM version, that's nice. System port list, system slot list. So it does not have these types of slots here, so that's why they have the X. Then you have your BIOS page here, the name, the manufacturer, the date, and it shows you what it supports and what it doesn't support. All right, then we have display for your video card, and then your monitor as well. Okay, then storage shows your drives here. This has 2 drives. This has a 512 gig NVMe drive and then a SATA drive, 4 terabytes. Shows you the temperature, firmware version, GPT, sectors, tracks, heads. And you can check smart information for that drive. Then it shows your logical disk. So we got the C drive, the D drive, and a flash drive here. So you can see the information here. It's not read-only, it's not compressed, supports file compression, and all this other information. All right, then for printer, so this shows your printers if you have any installed. Then it'll also show like the PDF printer and that type of thing. And we have network information, so this has an Ethernet connection which is not connected. Also has a wireless connection that is connected with the IP address and subnet mask. Then this shows some VMware Hyper-V and VirtualBox adapters that are on this computer. Then if you had a laptop, you can see battery information. And then we have other, so sound card information, keyboard, mouse, just like that. All right, then we go to the software tab. Some more information about Windows, the components, user details, username, computer name. And we have security information about Windows Defender, no firewall information. So this might be for a third-party firewall, not the Windows firewall because it's not showing it there. Windows updates, processes. So you can terminate them from here if you want. Services. You could delete them from here if you want. Probably don't want to do that. System drivers. Delete them as well if you really needed to. Startup items. Same thing if you want to delete them. They do have a startup manager app that we just did a video on that does all kinds of stuff. So if you're looking for something to manage your startup items, you should check that out. All right, and then installed programs. And they also have an uninstaller app that we did a video for as well too, so you might want to check that out. And then if you come to the menu, you could just export to an HTML report and turn on the dark theme. So as you can see, it gives you quite a bit of information. I like it better than the default Windows System Information tool. So I will put a link in the description where you could download HiBit System Information and you could try it out for yourself. All right, thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.